Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing Spectrum Mobile Unlimited Plus plan in 2026 and answering one question, that is it actually worth the money? So if you use a lot of mobile data, hotspot or travel internationally, this plan might look tempting. So let's break it down simply in this video. So first of all, what do you actually get with the Unlimited Plus plan? So when you come here on the official website of spectrum.com and when you look for the unlimited data plan, you are going to see that this particular plan includes 50 GB of high speed data every single month. After that, the speed slow down, but your data does not stop completely. For most of the people, 50 GB is more than enough for streaming, social media, navigation, and everyday use. You are also going to get the 10 GB of the high speed hotspot data, which is useful if you connect a laptop or tablet while traveling or working remotely. The streaming quality is capped at 720p HD, which looks fine on phones. It is not 4K, but for mobile viewing, most of the users won't notice a big difference. Now, one strong feature of this particular plan is the international roaming plan. So, the plan includes talk, text, and the data in 190 plus countries with up to 10 GB of high speed internet data. So, this makes it very convenient for the travelers who don't want to buy separate SIMs. Another nice perk is their anytime upgrade. So, this is going to let you trade in and upgrade your phone more easily as compared to the basic plans, which is helpful if you like changing devices often. Now, if we talk about the pricing, on the homepage itself, you will see that their plan is going to cost you $40 per line per month with no extra taxes or hidden fees on the monthly plan. So if you bundle with the Spectrum Internet, one unlimited plus line can drop to $10 per month for the very first year, which is very strong deal. So you must be wondering, who is this plan best for? In my opinion, it is great for the heavy data users, hotspot users, and frequent travelers. It may not be ideal if you barely use mobile data or you want extra high resolution streaming. So, this particular unlimited plan is absolutely worth it as of 2026. If you need lots of data, hotspot access, and the international coverage at a fair price. So if this review helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.